Sangeeta. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to show you 10 different eyeliner look. I have got many requests for this video, so please keep watching. Today I am using Maybelline Black Gel Liner. If you are beginner, then I would recommend you to use gel liner, which is very easy to apply. First I am creating a simple thick short line, which is called Simplicity Liner. Next I will draw a half water line from the outer corner of the eye. This is called basic liner. You can do this in your daily regular makeup routine. The next liner look is one of my favorite. It is Smoky Liner look. You can draw a simple wink line and then smudge it with a smudging brush. Next I will draw a bold liner. You have to apply the liner along the whole eyelid and also the crease, and also fill the waterline as well. Next I will show you lower lash flick. In this I am starting with the lower lash line and extending the liner, and next I am connecting the extend part with the upper eyelid. You have to make sure the liner in the upper lash line must be thin. The next liner look is an extend part of the lower lash flick look. In this you have to join the flick part like a half cut crease on the upper eyelid, and also make the liner of the upper lash line thick. The next liner look is simple wink line, which we do regularly. The next liner look is double wing line. In this you should do a simple wing line on the upper lash line, and on the lower lash line you have to make a thick liner and extend in a way which is parallel to the upper wing line. You must provide a space in between the upper and lower wing line. The next liner look is feline flick liner. In this you will make a simple small wink line. The liner in the upper lash line must be thick, and extend the liner in the inner corner as well. The next and last liner look is Fishtail Liner. This is the extend part of the feline flick look. After the feline flick liner, you have to draw a simple line in the lower direction, just like a fishtail. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned. See you in the next video. Bye.